Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at the budgeting activity in lesson 10.4. I wanted to do a video to talk about this because you're going to be either printing this assignment off and handwriting it in, or you're going to be using a nifty little app called Dochub to write your answers in. Some of us I know have already been using Dochub, and you're rocking it, great job. However, a couple others of us could really benefit from learning about this. So we're going to go ahead and go to step 3 of today's lesson and click to access the activity. So this is our activity for the day. You're going to use a grocery list on the following page to purchase the items you need from the ShopRite grocery store. Remember, we're talking all about budgeting today. So today, social studies and math are kind of going together. This is a column, the column is provided for you to keep a running total. Don't forget to allow for sales tax. Do you have enough money? So here we have the prices of the items at the grocery store. And here we have your grocery list. So you're going to be buying 2 loaves of bread, 2 boxes of cereal, 3 gallons of milk, 5 pounds of grapes, 3 pounds of pork chops, 6 pounds of chicken, 1 container of ice cream, and 2 cartons of juice. But you only have a budget of $75. So what you're going to need to do is use the product price, the total, and the running total to help you out here. But as you probably notice here, guys, PDF, we cannot type on it. However, if you go to the Open With button up here, click on it, and select the Dochub option, you can write on it, and it's pretty stinking sweet. Let's take a look at it together. So I've already clicked on it, and it's going to take a moment or so for your assignment to load in Dochub. Cool. I would maybe put my name on it here, so we'll call it Grocery Shopping Activity Devlin. And to write on it, what you're going to do is go to the area you want to write on, and then if you click on the text option, it creates boxes for you. So let's take a look at the product price for a loaf of bread here before we write. It looks like 1 loaf of bread is going to cost us $1.89. So let's go ahead and write that in. So the product price for a loaf of bread is $1.89. Now we also need to know the total because we're getting 2 loaves of bread. So we need to add 189 and 189. This is where using your calculator for math class, or maybe your calculator application on your computer, might be super helpful. So 189 and 189 is 378. Our running total then is going to be 378. So you're going to continue onwards in this assignment in the exact way. So put in the total, or the product price of one item, the total of both items, and then add it to the running total. And then at the very end, you're going to have to calculate the sales tax, which means multiply your total by 7%. So if my subtotal, we'll do a sample one here, is $25.60, I need to add in 7% sales tax. So what I do here, and listen up guys, is I would go ahead and pull up a calculator. I'm going to find us one online to use right now. So we have $25.60 as our total, but we need to figure out how much 7% sales tax is. So if we type in 25.6 times, and if we're needing 7%, we're not going to multiply this by 7. We're going to actually multiply it by 0.07. It looks like 179 is going to be our sales tax. So I would write that in for my sales tax, 179, and add 25.60 and 179 together to get my total. So 25.6 plus 1.79, that's going to equal $27.39. And this was an example. This is not the answer, that's for sure. But once you've finished your assignments in Dochub, you probably need to know how to submit it. This is going to be very similar to what you already do. If you go up here, you'll notice that there's a couple different options here. You can export it to your Google Drive, download it as a PDF, or download it as a document. I'm going to go ahead and export it to my Google Drive. Awesome, it's saved to my drive. If I click View in Drive, check it out, guys. I already have it just like I would for anything else in the class. So, to share it with Mrs. Devlin, like I hope you're planning to, you're going to do exactly what you do for all other Google documents. You're going to go ahead and click the People button for Share. Make sure you get the shareable link. Click Copy. And then go to the text box for today and go Control and V and paste it. That's how we're going to work in Dochub today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. I want to make sure you can rock this assignment to the best of your abilities. Good luck!